Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Naya and I create videos about budgeting, savings, and organizing. And I created this channel in order to stay accountable in my goals. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over one of the challenges that I am currently doing, and it is a good way if you are on a fixed income or if you have a fixed budget or low income. This is a perfect way to get your feet wet and start savings, and you can start off by $1. So now if you want to find out more about this particular challenge, stay tuned, and I thank you so much for watching. And yeah, in this particular challenge, you're going to basically deposit the money of the current week that you're on. So when we start off, say I started off on the 5th of January, I added $1. And then the next week on the 12th, I added $2. And then on the 19th, I added $3. And on the 26th, I added $4. And then today, I'm going to add $7. And so every week that the current week that you're on, you're going to add the amount of money that you're on for that week. So by the end of within 30 weeks, you're going to have $465. So this is just up to 30 weeks, and you can always add more. And I'll have this particular challenge in the link in the description box below. It's a Pinterest link. I'll send you to a Pinterest with similar challenges of this one, and my other challenges. If you look in the description box, I have other videos of other challenges that I'm currently doing that are for people that are low income or on a fixed income or on a strict budget. These savings challenges will be good for you. I think like if this one's a little bit too much, I have another one that starts off with a quarter, and I also have another video I'm putting out later on that starts off with a penny. So with this particular one, I'm going to be adding the $7, which is today. I'm going to add it, and today is the 16th. I'm going to be adding the $7 to make it $28. So I'm gonna put this aside for right now, and I'm gonna count what's inside the jar so that you guys can see. I'm gonna use, you guys can see. And with this, in order for me, to get the money I have now, what I do is on Mondays when I fill up gas, I go to the ATM, or when I'm purchasing gas, I go inside and get cash back. And with the cash back, I usually get about $10. And with that $10, I usually go next door and get quarters. And with those quarters, I add it to all the different challenges that I'm currently doing. So it's easy for me to remain accountable and get things done at the beginning of the week, so that way I have it to make sure I have it off to the side so I can deposit it on Sunday, because I do pull it out on Monday and I deposit it on Sundays. So today is Sunday, and comment down below, you guys, if you guys are currently doing a challenge that you guys are liking so far, that you feel that, because to me savings is kind of fun, because it sees that at the end of your savings, you can see what your goal, if you accomplished your goal or where you fell short. And so far, I'm doing pretty good. I'm staying on it. I am staying on my savings budgets. Are you guys staying on your budget? Have you even started your budget yet? And this one I really like because it's fairly easy, and every week I'm adding an extra $1, which I really like that. Because all the ones I'm doing, I like them so far. They're pretty cool. I know when they get up higher, I'll probably be thinking like, man, I know instead of me buying Starbucks or my smoothie from Coffee Bean, I just save it. It's retarded. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75. This is $1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And that was exact where I was last week. And then here's my 7, which I'm about to add with it. Remember, this is 1. Excuse the snoring if you hear in the background. It's the baby. I'm really liking these challenges because I get excited because, you know, with savings, I'm a saving type of person. Like, I'll save money, but I know if I had my debit card, I would just swipe and swipe and swipe and swipe. I don't have a limit. But with this, I notice I limit myself because I have particular cash because I'm doing the cash system as well. So it's causing me to be accountable on the money I'm putting aside. Like, I do swipe my debit card at the gas station to pull back money, and in that way it's easier for me to make sure I have money coming back, and that pulls the money for the week as well. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. And I'm on track because that's 28. See? Week 7. I had $7, now I have $28. So at the end of this, I should have $465 in 30 weeks. And I'll do it again. So tell me comment down below if you guys think that this is a good challenge for you. I would really like to know your thoughts, your opinions about the whole situation, because, you know, I am doing multiple challenges, so this is exciting for me. And I keep saying that, I know, I'm sorry. It really is. I'm excited about it. Oh, and I got this jar from the 99cents only store. It is the mason jar. It comes with the lid. I also have a top that goes to it, but I currently am using that for another challenge. To put that in before I buy another challenge. I need to buy another mason jar for the other challenge. So I have that as well. I need a different color from the other ones I have, because I have the pink and the blue one from my son and my daughter. And then I have this one for this one, which is the green one. And then I think I'd like to get a clear one or a purple one maybe for that. So this is the challenge, and so far so good. So on the 30th week, I should be at $465. And I'm not sure if I'm going to repeat it and do one, or I'm going to start by 31 weeks up to 52 weeks and go from there, and then add that much money in each week. I might do that. I'm gonna see. At the end of this week, I don't know. At the end of 30, I don't know whether I'm going to just start over with 1 or start with 31 and go from then on. But again, this is in the link in the description box below. All the other challenges that I'm in as well are in the description box below. The 1s, 5s, and 10s challenge, as well as the quarter, where you start from a quarter and go up. And this one, and then I'm about to do another video to show you the other challenges that I'm currently doing, because there's one more challenge. And then and then you can also get my organization, how I do my set up my budget, and I'm going to upload a envelope stuffing video as well. But the cash stuffing video I've recorded twice. I recorded it for January and February, but something, I don't know, I just recorded it, didn't have audio, didn't understand, all that didn't happen, the phone didn't record. So, but anyhow, I'm just rambling. I thank you so much for watching. This is one of the challenges. Tell me your thoughts down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day, a wonderful rest of your week, and a wonderful weekend. All right. Peace.